I was referred to Mr. Ross by my optician because I was having some problems with my eyes, and I was able to see Mr. Ross pretty quickly. He was very, very good, and unfortunately told me that after 30 years of wearing contact lenses, I would no longer be able to wear contact lenses and would have to go back to wearing glasses again, which I wasn't particularly keen on doing full time again, having had the freedom of contact lenses for such a long time. He then explained to me what this replacement lens surgery was about that he himself conducted. And I'd never heard of it, and I was quite surprised that after so many years of wearing contact lenses and glasses, I really hadn't heard anything about it. So he explained the procedure of what would be involved and told me to go away and think about it. So when I got back home, I, like most people, Googled it to learn a lot more about it, to find that it was a lot more common as an operation than I realised. And was quite surprised that within a couple of weeks, the number of people who I spoke to who'd actually had the same procedure. And I didn't even know it existed. So then I made an appointment to go back and see Mr. Ross and said to him that I wanted to have it done. He did a lot of measurements. I don't quite know what they are, but it was all very straightforward and not invasive at all. And then I was booked in for surgery, and they were a week apart to have the lenses replaced. Shawfair were great. It was very well organised, quite relaxing. I wasn't worried at all because I was having it under local anaesthetic. He assured me I wouldn't have any pain, so I believed him, and it was correct. So it was very, very straightforward. I had the first eye done on the one Wednesday. I was able to see out of my eye, certainly the next day when I hadn't got the plastic shield on. I didn't have any pain, didn't have any discomfort, and was just delighted that my sight was so good so quickly. And it was 2 days later when I could actually read unaided without glasses as well. So for the first time in 30 years, I was able to see distance and read without any form of glasses or correction. So I was pretty excited then about getting the second eye done the following week. So I was back at Shawfair the following week. And I was actually very excited about the whole operation. I wasn't in the least bit nervous. It was quite the opposite. I was very excited to have the opportunity to get the other eye fixed and hopefully have the same result as the left eye. And again, the results were fantastic. My ability to read probably came quicker with my right eye than it was with my left eye. But what Mr. Ross had said to me about the exact surgery was exactly as it was. It was painless. It's a little bit uncomfortable in places, but that's all. It's the most non-invasive operation I think I've ever had, and incredibly straightforward. But the results are so rapid. It's so worth it. And I haven't been to see like this for 30 years. I've always worn contact lenses or glasses. So I'm just delighted. It's been a month since I had the second operation, and this is just absolutely superb. I'd certainly recommend it, and it's just great to be able to see like this.